Good morning, everybody. Today's video is just a quick build video, or I guess I should say a conversion video, because I'm going to convert my Sunday Flyer, which was a plane that I designed, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. It's all composite, it's a smallish one, but I'm going to convert it from a tail dragger to a tricycle gear, and I'm going to try and do it pretty much in one day. So never done this before, and just going to give it a go and see what happens. Thanks a lot. Okay guys, for something completely different, I need a break from the A6 Intruder. So I thought we would take this composite plane that we designed about, I don't know, 4 years ago. It's just a Sunday Flyer to warm up on, and currently it's a tail dragger. So what we're going to do is convert it to a tricycle gear. So let's see what happens. All right, so I've got the wings off, cowls off, everything. Now I've got some nose weights here. We're going to have to change all the CG balance because of this. So I'm going to remove these nose weights because we're now going to have some front wheels sticking up there at some point. So let's get that off. All right, let's turn her around. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put this, I don't know who makes this one. I just found it in my box. So we're going to put this on, and it's a steerable nose block. So we're going to just figure out the way we want to do this. But I guess we want to probably, I just realized this is the one I modified. I cut the bottom off. The intent was to basically just screw it on here and here and here. But I just realized that I'd cut the block off what used to be here. Why I did that, I don't know. I think it was from when we crashed it and rebuilt it. So what I'm going to do is just put a block in here for now. And I guess a couple of screws. And then we'll see if we can mount this thing in there. Okay, I've made a new piece. It's from the file I had when I did this in 3D. So it's this section underneath here, and that's to hold the steering mount. And I've also made backing plates to glue on the other side because it was all missing. So basically it's about 3/8 of an inch thick. So we'll just quickly screw it up, and then we can move along and get mounting this thing. Okay, so I'll just drill the bottom and get some blind nuts in, and we'll get back. All right, now let's see. I've not done one of these in years. So let's just put that in temporarily. Snug it up a bit. We'll adjust the height in a while. It's going to be something like that, I think. That looks about right. Okay, so we've we've got the thing mounted. It's nuts on the opposite side. This is in there like that, and we've got a push rod what comes all the way through to the back side. Okay guys, so I've got the front steering mount in. As you can see, it's all here. And then I've put a double laminated 1/8 or 3mm I should say plywood inserts. Drilled one pilot hole ready to align the gear. But I think I'll put the wing on first and make sure I'm lined up with the wing. All right, so I've got pretty much everything done. I've got the wheel collets on. So what I'm going to do now is just put a little bit of shoe glue on the end here. And you won't believe it, but that, if your collets ever came undone for whatever reason, which is kind of common, then this stops the wheel from coming off. And all you have to do is peel it off afterwards, and all will be good. You can change it all out. And it's extremely strong, believe it or not. Just that little bit will do an amazing job. So now it's time to just pop the cowl back on and put it all back together. I've adjusted the steering. As you can see, it's all in place. Put it on another channel. So now I'll just assemble this. All right, as you can see, my spinner and propeller are back on. This is my custom-made resin printed spinner and back plate. Works great. The wheels on, shoe goes on with the collet. We have our tray back in. As you can see, here is the mounting for the motor, obviously, and for the steering support. We've put a servo in. It works great. It's on a 3D servo mount. The battery backup back is in, along with our backup design that we did. So our fail safe, and let's see, that's about it. The gears all mounted in, shoe goes on with new collets and wheels, and the tail is all done. I've even removed the tail gear from here. So it's just a matter of mounting the wing, and we'll give it a go. All right, kiddies, she's done. So added a bit of nose weight. She sits pretty good. Don't know whether you can see it, but anyhow, we'll see. That's how it sits. It's not bad. Pretty much neutral CG. So I've got the battery out now. Oh, good. She's going back to... Yeah, so I think I've nailed it. I have to push down on the tail. It's about probably 4 ounces of pressure. So I'm pretty pleased with that. But we'll, weather being good, we'll try her out Friday and see how she goes.